Guys, this is Sahih from TechItWix. Welcome to our channel. And as you are already seeing, this is the box of Redmi 3S Prime. So I am doing this like this because some things which should not happen are actually happening with Xiaomi. But I have got this from Flipkart and the delivery speeds are really nice. So let me open this one. So guys, I was saying the delivery speeds of Flipkart is very good as compared to Amazon. So this is how the packaging look like. So as you can see, here is a fingerprint scanner and this is Redmi 3S, although Prime is not mentioned here, and it is saying that it is a made in India device. And as you can see, Redmi 3S Prime 4G 3GB RAM 32GB ROM, and this is dark color variant. Also, if we look at let me focus, the SAR rating is actually 0.617 for head, and for body it is 0.429, which is below the Indian standards, that is 1.6 watts per kg. The MRP quoted here is actually 9,999, but actually you can get this product for 9,000 rupees. So actually the pricing is also really nice from Xiaomi. So let's open this thing. So guys, the first thing you notice is the Redmi 3S. Actually, let me get this to the side for a bit. And moving into the box, we get some paperwork from Xiaomi. Let's open this also. So this is some reading material for you guys. So as you can see, the SAR ratings here, and this is the SIM ejector tool. So this is showing that it will be a uni model body design from Xiaomi. So this was the reading stuff, and when we move in, we also have the charging adapter. So as you can see, this is the charging adapter, and it says that 5 volts at 2 amps. So it is not a fast charger but not a slow one also. So that's pretty decent. And guys, this is the micro USB cable, and it looks of good quality, but we will take it later. So this is how the device feels like, guys. It feels compact, and although I was thinking that the weight should be on the higher side, but actually weight is really nicely distributed. It has some amount of heft, but actually it's really nice. So let me remove these coverings. So let me give you a physical overview, guys. This is a 5-inch HD display. Here are the 5 megapixel front facing camera, earpiece and some sensors. So here are the 3 touch capacity buttons, which are actually not backlit. Moving on to this side, we have a power button and volume rockers and nothing else. And moving up top, we have IR blaster, scanning noise cancellation microphone, 3.5mm audio jack, and also there is a SIM tray, which is actually a hybrid slot. When we move to the downside, we have a USB 2.0, which will be used for charging and data syncing, and primary microphone. On the back, we have a 13 megapixel shooter, which is capable of full HD recording with actually LED flash, and here is the fingerprint scanner and Mi logo. So here also we have so as we will set up the device, I will give you specs overview. We look at the specification overview. It has that 5-inch display, which comes to around PPI of 294 pixels per inch. It comes with octa-core chipset, which is actually Snapdragon 430, which is clocked at 1.4 GHz, and all 8 cores are based on ARM Cortex-A53 with Adreno 505 GPU. The RAM is actually 2GB, and internal storage is actually for 16GB on the normal variant, but if you are going with Prime variant, you get 32GB of internal storage with 3GB of RAM. The rear camera is actually 13 megapixel with 5 megapixel front facing camera. The Android is Marshmallow with MIUI 7 on top. It has fingerprint scanner, IR blaster, and 4100 milliamps battery. Guys, I have set up the device, and as you can see, it has notification LED, so that's a very good thing. And let's look at the fingerprint speed. So let me tap, and it was really quick. Let me show you guys again. First lock the device. So I'll just, as you can see, I have tapped, and see the speed. It's really fast, guys. Not the best, but actually really accurate. And when we go to storage, you are getting about 24.39 GB space free out of the box, and also it is downloading some update. so I'll tell you if anything has changed. So let's go to about phone, and as you can see it is on Android version 6.1 and this is Redmi 3S. CPU is actually octa-core max 1.4 GHz, which is actually Snapdragon 430, RAM 3GB, internal storage. As you can see everything is mentioned over here. Let's see display. So as you can see it is also having auto brightness sensor. That's a very good thing, I would say. And and this is the UI of this Redmi 3S Prime. So it is not having that app drawer, but let's see the camera performance now. It is asking for some permissions and we will give. Let's capture this one. It has that tap to focus. It is not the fastest in focusing. Let's be the. So it's doing a good job, I would say, but I'll test the camera a lot more, and after this video I'll put some sample images so you can judge how's the camera quality. And I am coming with a variety of videos on this Redmi 3S Prime, and if you have any specific video request, do tell me. I'll try to get that video done. And also you can see there is some bloatware, and we can actually remove it. Most of it we can remove or either disable. So this was pretty much it from the video. If you have liked the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any comment queries regarding this device or any other device, you can always tell me in comment section or ask me in comment section down below. If you want to buy this device, the links are in description down box below. But I recommend you to watch my videos because I will be doing its in-depth review very soon. It will take me about 7 days, and if you want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any social network, all the links are in description box down below. So this is Sahi from Tech2X signing off. Thank you guys for watching.